9 Fun Facts About Babies Born in October. October, the month of Halloween, football, pumpkin spice and all things nice. That includes some pretty athletic and awesome people. Yep, it's true. Here are 9 interesting facts that you need to know about October babies. 1. They're more likely to be athletic. Time to invest in a toy football. Research suggests that October babies are more physically fit and athletic than those born in other months. A study published in the International Journal of Sports Medicine tested the strength, stamina and cardiovascular fitness of 9,000 kids between 10 and 16 years old and found that those born in October and November performed significantly better than their peers. One possible explanation? More sunshine and vitamin D for moms to be means stronger bones and muscles for their babies. 2. They're probably not born on Halloween. It turns out that fewer women go into labor and give birth on Halloween than other days in the month, according to a study conducted by researchers at the Yale University School of Public Health. Scientists hypothesized that the reason is because the day's spooky associations subconsciously put women off giving birth. Cute girl playing outside with autumn leaves 3. FAMVELD, Getty Images. They have 2 birthstones, Opal and Tourmaline, and both are straight-up magical. But if Opal isn't your birthstone, then you may want to stay away. They're said to be bad luck if worn by those not born in October. You know, if you believe in that stuff. 4. Their birth flower is the cosmos. These pretty jewel-toned flowers symbolize peace and serenity. No promises that your October tot won't cry in the middle of the night though. 5. They're either Libras or Scorpios. Libras born between September 23 and October 22 are said to be sincere, kind and lovers of harmony and peace. Scorpios born between October 23 and November 22 are known for being loyal, strong-willed and mysterious. Not too shabby. 6. More presidents were born in October than any other month. Want your October baby to be a commander-in-chief? It's not impossible. More American presidents have celebrated their birthday in the month of October than any other month. That includes Adams, Roosevelt, Eisenhower, Hayes and Carter. Cute baby playing with dried autumn leaves in forest. SBYTOVAMN, Getty Images 7. More presidents were born in October than any other month. Want your October baby to be a commander-in-chief? It's not impossible. More American presidents have celebrated their birthday in the month of October than any other month. That includes Adams, Roosevelt, Eisenhower, Hayes and Carter. 8. They're in good company. But October birthdays aren't just for presidents. There are some pretty cool people born in October, including Julia Roberts, October 28, Matt Damon, October 8, Kate Winslet, October 5, and Bruno Mars, October 8. 9. They're less likely to have cardiovascular disease. According to a study by Columbia University Medical Center, people born in September, October and November are less likely to experience cardiovascular disease. Which leads us to our next point. 10. They're more likely to live to 100. Research from the University of Chicago found that those born in the autumn months were more likely to live to the age of 100. One possible explanation is because they were not exposed to the seasonal infections or seasonal vitamin deficiency early in life that can cause long-lasting damage to a person's health. So, congrats October babies, here's to many more birthdays to come.